Owl was at home. How good it feels to be sitting by this fire, said Owl. It is so cold and snowy outside. Tak, kde je pan Sova? To tam byl předtím, tady.
Ohříval se u klubu.
Tak, dobře. Owl heard a loud sound at the front door. Who is out there, banging and pounding at my door on a night like this? He said. Owl opened the door, but no one was there. Only the snow and the wind.
Někdo mu ťuká na dveře.
Aha.
On se přišel podívat.
On se jde podívat, co tam je. Tak. Owl sat near the fire again. There was another loud noise at the door. Who can it be?
Otevřel dveře a nikdo tam nebyl.
A nikdo tam nebyl, no. A teďka. Owl opened the door very wide. Come in, Winter, said Owl. Come in and warm yourself for a while.
Nalítala mu zima dovnitř.
Protože jí co? Otevřel jí. Dveře jí otevřel. Tak, teďka, hele. Winter came into the house. It came in very fast. A cold wind pushed Owl against the wall.
Spadl pan Sova za dveře.
Tak, spadl za dveře. Tak, a Winter ran around the room. It blew out the fire in the fireplace. Co mu to tam rozfoukalo?
Oheň.
Oheň, že jo, v krbu. Snow whirled up the stairs and whooshed down the hallway. Winter, cried Owl, you are my guest. This is no way to behave. But Winter did not listen. It made the window's shades flap and shiver. It turned the pea soup into hard and green eyes.
Zima šla nahoru a byla všude.
A byla všude. A co se mu stalo s tou polívkou?
Vylila se.
No, ona mu zmrzla. Zmrzla mu polívka. Tak. Winter went into all the rooms of Owl's house. Soon everything was covered with snow. You must go, Winter, shouted Owl. A teď jí pan Sova co? Tu zimu. Už ji vyhání, myslíte?
Jo.
Teď už ji vyhnal. Tak. Owl made a new fire in the fireplace. The room became warm again. The snow melted away. The hard green ice turned back into soft pea soup. Owl sat down in his chair and quietly finished the supper.
Už zase se ohřívá.
Aha, vyhnal tu zimu, že jo?
A zima se celá roztýká.
Tak, super. Tak si můžete zatleskat.